Hey there, my name's Nick. If you're watching this video, I probably helped you fix the battery on your Bose Mini 2 speaker. I am going to be transitioning this channel into something that I'm just going to have some fun with. And that's going to mean there's going to be a lot of things coming in your subscription box from my channel. They won't be that often, but if you don't like my face, I imagine it would get pretty annoying. So, to those of you that subscribed because of the moral obligation you felt to do so after I helped you fix your speaker, thank you, and please don't feel bad about unsubscribing, because I might not be the cup of tea that you're looking to sip right now, and that's okay. Thank you for letting me help you with your speaker. Bye.